14, 257 Central Park balcony. Not infinite, but Central Park balcony. So the cabin I'm in happens to have the infinite. So it's the exact same thing except for where those sliding doors are. They're not there on mine. It just has the window. But bathroom, typical. Small countertop. You find your safe, believe it or not, behind this full-length mirror. Here's your closet. It's okay. Got some cubby holes down there. Lots of USB outlets everywhere. Shelvings, nice indirect lighting. And deck 14, Central Park balcony. Now the window's open, so that's why you're hearing the noise. But if you want a balcony versus the interior infinite balcony, Central Park infinite balcony, this is better because you actually have a balcony. You can close these doors and have a separate balcony, whereas the interior or the Central Park infinite balconies, you just have those windows, and most of the time I end up keeping mine up, so it kind of defeats the purpose. So Central Park view balcony. It's a nice room, icon of the seas.